Hey everyone, my name is Manisha and welcome all of you to my channel Miss Tapa. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make face scrub at home using only kitchen ingredients. Guys, winter is going on and in winters my skin becomes very dry and flaky. As you can see in this video, my skin has become bit flaky. So I'm gonna scrub that off. So I'm gonna show you the method of making this scrub. So the paste is ready and now I'm tying up my hair properly so that it is easy for me to scrub my face, and I've made sure that I have no makeup on my face, as you can see. Before scrubbing my face, I always take a steam so that my dry and my flaky skin becomes softer and it is easier to scrub them. I take a little bit of portion of the scrub and apply all over my face and then start scrubbing. While scrubbing my face, I make sure that I use light pressure because too much of pressure can create bruises on my face. And if my scrub becomes dry in between, then I use little bit of water and I scrub every area of my face. After I'm done with scrubbing, I wash my face and apply moisturizer. It is very important to apply moisturizer after scrubbing because scrubbing makes your face little drier. So applying moisturizer makes your face very hydrated. So friends, if you like my video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.